NASA's Artemis program will establish humanity's first permanent base on the Moon. In April 2024, NASA announced 3 finalists for the multi-billion-dollar contract to build and operate the lunar vehicle that will help bring the Artemis vision to life.
Without robotic systems, without tools, without mobility, you will not be able to do really anything of note on other planetary bodies. You have to have mobility, and that's where the founding idea came for Lunar Outpost.
Lunar Outpost had just 1 year to build a prototype they codenamed Eagle.
I brought every member of the team together in order to dominate the lunar mobility market.
To meet NASA's challenge, Lunar Outpost assembled a team with unmatched lunar experience and manufacturing might, a team it calls Lunar Dawn.
The Lunar Dawn team, General Motors, MDA Space, Goodyear, Leidos, and of course Lunar Outpost, really brings together some of the most impressive companies in their field to what's an incredibly ambitious and bold project.
For General Motors and Goodyear, this wasn't their first rodeo.
We started work in the 1960s, working jointly with GM and NASA on mobility opportunities for that Apollo program.
50 years ago, we supported the Apollo 11 mission, and we're proud to be a part of that. We're proud to be leveraging our history into today.
But the lunar rover was only designed to last for single 3-day missions.
This vehicle has to drive around the moon for, up to 10 years. It has to go 19,000 miles.
We're going to the South Pole. We've got the lunar and day-night cycles, which cycle the tires through temperatures of over 500 degrees.
To build for such extremes, the 2 automotive giants turned to their industry expertise.
We put the truck in space truck. The battery design here originated from what we're doing on our light-duty pickup truck EV lines. We're looking at the autonomy, we're looking at the suspension, those kind of major vehicle components.
You look at the legacy of Goodyear, we make tires in the aircraft industry, we do the commercial products, we do consumer products, right? We're excited to be able to have that innovation in place to deliver those capabilities.
Goodyear's innovation on the Eagle LTV was an airless spring tire with specialized alloys. And GM's driver-in-the-loop simulator integrated Goodyear's tire physics model with Lunar Outpost's detailed lunar surface data to create an ultra-accurate simulation of how the Eagle LTV would handle on the moon.
We're able to actually put engineers and astronauts in the seat, and they're able to actually drive and see what it will feel like before they even touch the moon.
While GM and Goodyear worked on the Eagle's mobility, MDA Space tackled another critical challenge: its arm.
We've done prestige programs for the Canadian government. That includes the Canadarm for shuttle, the Canadarm2 for station, which we currently operate and have operated for over a few decades.
MDA Space took that technology and built SkyMaker, a robotic system that will work alongside astronauts on the LTV.
It's to help them do their job better. Science, gathering samples, exploration, discovering new things, and they maximize time on task for NASA.
The parts were complete. It was now up to Leidos to share their decades of experience in astronaut safety as Lunar Outpost assembled the LTV.
There's building the hardware, and Leidos is helping with that, but there's also so much work that goes into proving that it's going to be a safe platform for our astronauts to operate on.
You can't have an astronaut stranded, there's no one there to help them out, so we have to make sure this is 100% mission ready and mission critical every time.
That meant a brutal test campaign.
You have to test like you fly. We have to do the absolute best job we can to simulate the lunar environments here on the Earth. So putting the vehicle in a reduced gravity environment and where the dust is there, jamming up all the joints, and then just beating it up, testing it for hours and hours and hundreds of miles and kilometers.
The result of Lunar Outpost's leadership and Lunar Dawn's teamwork is the Eagle LTV, a space truck that lives up to NASA's vision and is ready to drive on the moon.
I give a lot of credit to Lunar Outpost. They brought a phenomenal group of companies together. It's cross-functional, it's energetic, it's astronaut-driven, and I think it's something that really is unmatched with our peers. We're very ready, right? We're excited about the opportunity.
When the contract is awarded, we're ready to go.
I can't wait for that first mission where the vehicle is rolling across the surface of the moon.
We successfully have delivered and are operating hardware that was co-built by every member of the Lunar Dawn team. Having blazed that trail, we are ready to go.
On the next episode, Lunar Outpost's MAP rover overcomes a rough landing to make history.
was right up against the wire, very stressful situations, and our team killed it.